High above the shimmering waters of Dal Lake, amidst the whispers of time and spirituality, stands a sentinel of devotion and history, presenting you the Shankaracharya Temple. But how do you get here? What secret does this ancient temple hold? Is it a Jyotirlinga? Why is it so deeply tied to the soul of Kashmir? Let's discuss. Hello guys, welcome back to Wandering Traveler. Today we are uncovering one of the most sacred and oldest temples in Srinagar, which is none other than Shankaracharya Temple, also known as Jeshteshwara Temple. Trust me guys, this is not just a stop, it's a spiritual experience. Let's begin our journey. To explore all the major attractions on a one-day local tour of Srinagar, it's best to make your way to Dal Lake from your hotel, because Dal Lake serves as the central point for exploring all of these attractions. Once you people reach the Dal Lake, you try to find out ghat number 16 of Dal Lake, opposite to which the entrance of Shankaracharya Temple hill was there. Once you enter the entrance of the temple hill, there will be a security check where you will be asked your identity cards. So don't forget to get them along with you while coming. The 5.6 kilometer uphill drive to the temple offers stunning panoramic views of Dal Lake and Srinagar city. The winding and scenic curves of the road makes the journey especially enjoyable for the riders. The temple usually opens sharp at 7 am and closes by 8 pm. The best time to go is early morning because the sunrise here is divine. A point to be remembered here is the temple might close earlier in winter due to snow. The things you should carry while coming to the temple is a water bottle, sunglasses because the summer here is very harsh, sunscreen, and a light shawl or jacket because mornings can be chilly at times, and ID proof as discussed before. Even though they are allowing mobile phones, they are not allowing cameras nowadays. Only small carry bags are allowed, not the big ones. Avoid wearing shorts, sleeveless tops or anything revealing because this is a deeply sacred site. For men, long pants and shirts are preferred. For women, salwar suits, saris or full-length trousers with a top is preferred. The best time to visit the temple is from March to October because of the pleasant weather, clear skies and amazing views of the city. Try to avoid visiting during heavy winters, especially during December and January, as snow can block the access to the temple. The months where more crowd will be seen are April for spring bloom and August during the Amarnath Yatra. This temple dates back to 200 BC, though the current structure was renovated by King Gopaditya in the 6th century. Later, it was named after Adi Shankaracharya, the great philosopher saint who is believed to be meditated here in the 8th century. It is said that from this very hill, Shankaracharya ji spread his teachings of Sanatana Dharma across Kashmir and beyond. This temple is closely linked to the Amarnath Yatra because many pilgrims visit here first to seek the blessings before they trek to the holy cave. It is considered to be the starting point of spiritual circuit in Kashmir. Even though this temple is not officially listed as one of the 12 Jyotirlingas, it holds immense spiritual significance. Most of the locals here believe that this temple once enshrined a Shivalinga of immense power, making it an energetic hotspot for meditative seekers. During Mahashivaratri, this place comes alive with chants, lamps, and devotion. Thousands of people gather here to offer prayers. If you can visit during this festival, it's just magical. Even after all of this explanation, are you still considering why you should visit Shankaracharya Temple? Then this is for you. This temple should be a part of your Srinagar local tour because of its stunning panoramic view of the city, because of its deep historical and spiritual value, because of its connection to the ancient India's greatest sage, Shankaracharya. And this is one of the oldest Shiva temples in the world. It's not just a temple, it's a time machine into the soul of Kashmir. Whether you are a believer, a history buff, or just a curious traveler, the Shankaracharya temple will leave you in awe. So, next time when you are in Srinagar, don't miss this Jewel of the Hills. Like, share, and subscribe for more travel tales from the hidden heart of India. Unless next time, stay blessed, stay curious. Om Namah Shivaya.